Hey, Maddie, it's Albert here. So I did notice in your video, um, so when you first get to this step, if you see these circles here, if you don't select them, this will stay grayed out. So it looks like in your video that you're coming to this step here. Watch, let's see, let's kind of back up. See, it's already selected here because I already made the selection. So it looks like when you're opening this, you're not actually hitting one of these, right? So you want to obviously add to list. Could you try to do that and make sure you're selecting that circle there first, and then because if you see this here, if you see this is grayed out, you can see that I haven't made a selection here, and this is grayed out, and I'm getting the same result as you did in your video here, right? Now, if I select that, now it's highlighted. Now I have the option to select here, right? So now that I highlight that selector button there, or so let's call it a radio button, little selector here, all right? And then once you select that, you have the ability to choose, all right? So I would say go in and make sure you're doing that. This is just from what I'm seeing on the video. I didn't see either one of these highlighted, okay? And it's real easy to miss, okay? So no worries. If that's your solution, then that is an easy fix, my friend. So go ahead and try that, okay? And then get back to me if if you're still having that issue even after you select this. Let me know. If you're not able to select one of these, right? Obviously, you want to do the add to list. If you're not able to select it, just go ahead and let me know, okay? And then we'll move on to the next step, okay? All right, thank you.